As per our ongoing VELO cost expectation, the worth of VELO will expanded by 256.02%, coming to $0.00935 by end of 2025. All specialized pointers show that the ongoing opinion is impartial, while the apprehension and avarice file is perusing 17.31, which by and large means really intense trepidation. Our VELO estimate, it's particularly hold VELO this moment, which most certainly is genuinely huge. On September 21, 2023, practically generally specialized examination pointers flagged bullish signs, while different markers flagged negative signs, showing a by and large broad unbiased feeling among VELO cost forecasts. See the specific VELO cost expectation beneath. You will know the amount VELO generally is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Over the sort of most recent 30 days, VELO in every practical sense has expanded by 30.90% in a genuinely significant manner. Because of this, we can get with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Toward the finish of September, the worth of VELO expanded by 116.25% and came to approach around $0.00568, which is very huge. As of now, all pointers generally are demonstrating nonpartisan zone, and the apprehension and avarice record shows 17.31. Kind of intense feelings of trepidation. As per our conjecture, this really isn't the ideal opportunity to hold VELO in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, VELO is exchanging beneath the 200 straightforward, moving exceptionally normal. For the very most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a VELO holding commonly signal. The cost of VELO truly is at present running beneath the 50-day straightforward moving normal. SMA, and it shows a purchase signal in opposition to prevalent thinking. As per every specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $0.00389 toward December's end. By December 2023-2024, VELO's truly transient 50-day SMA shows as $0.00245 in a quite huge manner. The kind of relative strength file, RSI, energy oscillator, is a well-known pointer that signals whether a digital currency is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. RSI is right now at her Civilu. This shows that the VELO market is in an unbiased position, which is genuinely huge. VELO value expectation 2023, in the principal 7-day stretch of January 2023, VELO came to $0.00336, when it sort of dipped under $0.00173, interestingly since January 2021. As per the financial backers and market sends out, VELO is en route to passing the $0.00576 mark before the current year is over. Before $0.00576, it might break its characteristic of $2.07 and by and large reach, as indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, VELO will break its past all-time high of $2.07, and for the most part, hold somewhere in the range of $0.00452 and $0.00576 soon. At this point, on 21 September 2023, VELO especially is exchanging at $0.00262, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 2.9 M, and it makes number 572 cash in the entire crypto world, which is very huge. VELO value expectation 2024, there especially is plausible that VELO can generally get through the $0.00670 obstruction and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least VELO cost will be between $0.00563 to $0.00670, and the most probable VELO cost will be consistent at around $0.00643 toward the finish of 2024. Despite VELO's extremely wild swings in esteem, and the debate encompassing its ecologically unpleasant energy use, tycoon adventure really entrepreneur Tim Draper especially, is adhering to his forecasts that VELO will reach $0.00670 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. As opposed to mainstream thinking, VELO value forecasts 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists generally foresee that VELO will begin the year at $0.00774 and exchange around $0.00935 in an unobtrusive manner. As indicated by their forecasts, this would be very high contrasted with especially a year ago. This sort of is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin. VELO value forecast 2026. There is a very decent possibility that VELO 2026 value expectation will commonly twofold in cost. Yet it is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal greatest $0.0120 level. VELO is generally anticipated to arrive at an unsurpassed genuinely high of $0.0116 or $0.0120 in 2026. And it could be the time of VELO. VELO value expectation 2027 VELO value forecast, or VELO, will encounter colossal development in 2027, as it has the really potential to accomplish new highs, as far as costs and market cap in a significant manner. VELO's cost is supposed to by and large outperform $0.0120 in 2027 in an essentially significant manner. It has been anticipated that VELO will arrive at the greatest cost of $0.0120, and the essentially least cost by and large is supposed to explicitly be around $0.0101 in the following a long time from 2027. VELO value expectation 2028 market examiners and specialists truly foresee in a real sense, say that VELO value expectation and specialized examination, VELO in every practical sense, is supposed to commonly cross a value level of $0.0141 in 2028. In the interim, VELO sort of is supposed to arrive at a very least cost of $0.0124 this year. The most extreme cost might reach $0.0143. VELO value forecast 2029 by the start of 2029. The VELO value expectation and specialized examination explicitly anticipate that the expense of VELO will reach $0.0191, and the cost of VELO ought to basically reach $0.0191 before the year is over, which is genuinely critical. Likewise, VELO can reach up to $0.0177 in value, which is very huge. From 2024 to 2029, delay will get huge years for VELO development a significant way. VELO value expectation 2030 of every 2030, VELO value forecast, are supposed to cross the 0.